Question number 24. Which ratio is greater? First, 5:6 or 7:9? 5:6, 5:6 or 7:9. We can write 5 divided by 6 or 7 divided by 9. LCM of 6 and 9 is equal to 18. 5 into 3 divided by 6 into 3 is equal to 15 divided by 18. 7 into 2 divided by 9 into 2 is equal to 14 divided by 18. 18 को डिवाइड करेंगे 6 से, क्वोटिएंट आएगा 3 और 3 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। सेम एज 18 को 9 से डिवाइड करेंगे, क्वोटिएंट आएगा 2, 2 को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और 2 को 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। फिफ्टीन बाई 18 is greater than 14 by 18. 5 by 6 is greater than 7 divided by 9 is equal to 5:6 is greater than 7:9. Therefore, 5:6 is greater than 7:9. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, क्वेश्चन नंबर 24 का सेकंड है 2:3 और 4:7 फाइंड आउट करना है कि विच इज ग्रेटर। 2:3 और 4:7 we can write 2 divided by 3 or 4 divided by 7. LCM of 3 and 7 is equal to 21. 2 divided by 3 is equal to 2 into 7 divided by 3 into 7. 14 divided by 21. 4 divided by 7 is equal to 4 into 3 divided by 7 into 3 is equal to 12 divided by 21. एलसीएम निकालने का यहाँ मीनिंग है 2/3 में या 4/7 में डिनोमिनेटर को हम इक्वल करना चाहते हैं, सेम करना चाहते हैं। इसके लिए हम लोग 3 और 7 का एलसीएम निकालेंगे। एलसीएम 21 आता है और एलसीएम 21 को 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्विटिएंट होगा 7 और 7 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 से और 3 से। एज वी नो, अगर हम न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं डिनोमिनेटर में भी मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ता है। फोर्टीन बाई 21 is greater than 12/21 is equal to 2/3 is greater than 4/7 is equal to 2/3 is greater than 4/7. Therefore, 2/3 is greater than 4/7. Question number 3rd. 1/2 और 4/7 में फाइंड आउट करना है कि विच इज ग्रेटर। सॉल्यूशन: वन रेशियो 2 और 4/7. We can write 1 divided by 2 or 4 divided by 7. LCM of 2 and 7 is equal to 14. 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1 into 7 divided by 2 into 7 is equal to 7 divided by 14. 4 divided by 7 is equal to 4 into 2 divided by 7 into 2 is equal to 8 divided by 14. 8 divided by 14 is greater than 2 divided by 14 is equal to 4 divided by 7 is greater than 1 divided by 2. Is equal to 4/7 is greater than 1/2. Therefore, 4/7 is greater than 1:2. Question number 4. 3:5 और 8:13 फाइंड आउट करना है कि विच इज ग्रेटर. वी कैन राइट 3 divided by 5 और 8 divided by 13. LCM of 5 and 13 is equal to 65. 3 divided by 5 is equal to 3 into 13 divided by 5 into 13 is equal to 39 divided by 65. 8 divided by 13 is equal to 8 into 5 divided by 13 into 5 is equal to 40 divided by 65. 40 divided by 65 is greater than 40 divided by 65 is greater than 39 divided by 65. Is equal to 8 divided by 13 is greater than 3 divided by 5. 8 divided by 13 is greater than 3 divided by 5. 3 divided by 5 is equal to 8:13 is greater than 3:5. Hence 8:13 is greater than 3:5. Question number 25. Arrange the following ratios in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Increasing order means सबसे पहले छोटा लिखेंगे, उसके बाद उससे बड़ा लिखेंगे, उसके बाद उससे बड़ा लिखेंगे, इसी ऑर्डर में अरेंज होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट 5:6, 8:9, 11:18 को असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में राइट करना है. तो वी कैन राइट we can write 5 divided by 6. 6, 8 divided by 9, and 11 divided by 18. LCM of 6, 9 and 18. 6, 9 and 18 is equal to 18. 5 by 6 is equal to 5 into 3 divided by 6 into 3 is equal to 15 divided by 18. 8 by 9 is equal to 8 into 2 divided by 9 into 2 is equal to 16 divided by 18. 11 by 18 is equal to 11 by 18. Therefore, 11 by 18. Therefore, 11 by 18, 5 by 6, and 8 by 9 divided by 9. Answer. Question number second of 25. Arrange the following ratios in ascending order: 11 ratio 14, 17 ratio 21, 5 ratio 7, 2 ratio 3. We can write 11 by 14, 11 by 14, 17 by 21, 5 by 7, 2 by 3. LCM of 14, 21, 7, 3 is equal to 42. 11 by 14, 11 by 14 is equal to 11 into 3 divided by 14 into 3. 11 into 3 divided by 14 into 3 is equal to 33 divided by 42. 17 by 21. 17 divided by 21 is equal to 17 into 2 divided by 21 into 2. 34 divided by 42. 5 by 7 is equal to 5 into 6 divided by 7 into 6. 5 into 6 divided by 7 into 6 is equal to 30 divided by 42. 30 divided by 42. 2 divided by 3 is equal to 2 into 14 divided by 3 into 14. is equal to 28 divided by 42 divided by 42. Therefore, 2 divided by 3, 5 divided by 7, 11 divided by 14 and 17 divided by 21. Answer.